10 reasons why you always feel tired all day. Have you ever felt your body is tired all the time? Sometimes you're sleepy in the middle of the day. When you climb up the stairs, it's really hard to catch your breath. You feel like you're doing a marathon run. If you wonder why this happened to your body, it may be because of some of the following reasons. 1. Your lifestyle is mostly sedentary. What is a sedentary lifestyle? First, let me ask you some questions. What are you doing when you are at home? Do you lie on the bed while binge-watching movies? Do you spend your day by sitting, lying, and not doing many activities? Or you don't cook your own meals, you call online food delivery services all day long instead? This is a sign of a sedentary lifestyle. Resting is good to recharge your energy, but too much rest actually will drain your energy. Try to do some exercise. Do your activities by standing, not sitting. If you are going to some place that's close enough, try to walk to that place. With this simple behavior change, it may help to keep your energy levels high. 2. Life situations make you overwhelmed. Exhaustion is not only caused by physical situations, but also can come from psychological factors. You can feel tired after going through life-changing experiences, such as the loss of your loved ones, or you may have some difficulty adapting to a new environment, like a campus or office, etc. You break up with someone you love, and many other things that can make your mental energy feel drained. You can feel tired when you have so much to do, too much to think about, or so much work you should be doing. If your mental energy drains, it can also lead to body fatigue. 3. Anxiety. People with anxiety can feel exhausted all the time, because if you feel anxious, your mental energy can suddenly rise in any situation. When you get anxious, your brain is in a kind of alert and standby condition. Your brain does some overthinking about any problems you are going through right now. If your mind goes extreme extra miles, it can lead to mental and physical tiredness. 4. Dehydration. As we all know, our body composition is mostly liquid, so consuming enough water can help our body stay fit and healthy. Water is our basic fuel for the metabolic and biochemical processes of our body. We've all heard the old sentences about drinking 8 glasses of water minimum per day, but you might have different needs according to your weight, gender, age, and how much of your daily activities. If you are dehydrated, it can cause you to feel thirst, fatigue, tiredness, and headaches. Drink enough water to keep you in shape and stay fresh all day long. 5. You overly consume caffeine or any energy drinks. What is the most common substance to consume when someone feels tired? They usually drink coffee, supplements, or herbs. Some studies show that consuming caffeine can improve mental awareness, but after the effect is gone, it can rebound the fatigue you felt before drinking any of these things. The rebound effect can be worse if you consume at the wrong time. Avoid drinking coffee in the afternoon because it can cause sleep disturbance and make you tired the day after you wake up. Try to consume caffeine in the morning instead. 6. You don't have enough sleep. Having enough sleep is one of the most important factors for having a fresh body and mind condition. When you sleep, your body is recharging and repairing their cells. Average sleeping time for an adult is about 7 hours every night, with 15 or 20 minutes of nap at midday. You can do some first aid to fix your sleep quality, such as turning off the light of your room, turning off the TV, and shutting down your computer and smartphones, avoiding caffeine or alcohol consumption before you go to bed. 7. Too much refined carbs consumption. Carbs are one substance which our body needs to gain energy. Carbs are one of the important fuels for our activities all day long. The one you should avoid or reduce is consuming refined carbs. Refined carbs can give you an instant energy boost, but if the effect is gone, you can feel more exhausted and you need more and more refined carbs to top up your energy. Replace your refined carbs with a more natural source of food. When you feel really tired in the afternoon, try to consume carrot or apple instead of grabbing some chocolate, candy, or snacks. 8. You are living in a toxic environment. Toxic environments can be found in any situation. Maybe your parents are always having a fight, or you don't get along with your classmates, you get bullied all the time, or your boss disrespects you and treats you like a slave. This toxic environment can drain your mental and physical energy and make you tired. Try to find an opportunity to get out from your toxic environment. such as finding a new job or trying to connect with new friends. If the problem is in your house or family, try to communicate what you really feel to them, or you can find professional care to help you. 9. The lack of calories. Average calorie consumption for an adult is around 1,200 calories per day. You need this amount to avoid metabolic disorder. If your calorie consumption is too low, it can lead to fatigue and tiredness. Try not to cut calories in a drastic change, even if you are doing a weight loss program. Your body still needs it to do its metabolizing in a normal condition. Try to count your calories based on your weight, age, activities, and any personal factors to calculate the right amount of calories you can reduce. 10. You're stressed out. Stress is one of the biggest causes of both mental and physical tiredness and fatigue. When you feel stressed, your body is always in an alert situation and gives all the energy to cope or deal with your problems. Whether it is preparing for your next project, moving to other countries, preparing your thesis, job interview, or chasing a good grade, any of this can stress you out. When you are stressed out, your adrenaline and cortisol are at high levels. If this continues in the long term, it can make your body and mind feel tired and exhausted. If you are feeling exhausted or tired all day, maybe you are experiencing one of these reasons. Tiredness can be caused by physical or mental factors. If you are not sure what is the exact cause, try to consult professional medical or mental health care.